Come drone with me in Nashville, Tennessee. Before I headed out there, I put in the address and Before You Fly app to see if it was okay to take off in that area. This app will also warn you of things to be aware of before you fly in that area. I also use the UAV forecast app to check out the weather. Make sure you set the max wind speed to match your drone so that you can see if it's a good time to fly. Also for free, you can see the 24-hour forecast as well as the wind profile.